What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. And yeah, we're doing another wrap-up video for 2019, since 2019 is kind of in our back view mirror. So yeah, let's kind of start this, you guys. I want to share with you guys the top 5 Nike outlet finds for Cool Kicks this year. But I do want to kind of go over some honorable mentions. Yeah, let's get this started, guys. These are sneakers that were a hell of a deal, but didn't make our list, you guys. They didn't make the top 5. Vapor Max, $72. Got these bad boys for $72. Man, the Vapor Max 2019s. Crazy deal. Normally goes for what, $190 or something. So yeah, I got a nice little discount. We are gonna throw the LeBron 16 King of Thrones. These were sold out when I copped these. They were available on the sneakers app. They were sold out. They were sold out at a couple retailers as well. I copped these, I believe they were what, $175, and I got 20% off. So I paid what, $140, I believe, and I got the full box and everything as well. They actually gave me the full box. It was behind the register. And I was like, hey, I want to buy that. So they ended up giving me the full box, everything. They didn't have a chance to tear off the top of the box, so that was a pretty good deal. Another LeBron. LeBron 3s, you guys. LeBron 3 Super Bronze. Caught these bad boys at the Ontario Mills outlet. Some of you guys had told me, hey, they never have heat. Well, they do once in a while. Caught these for $140, I believe. $140, I believe they're selling for $175. I got it for what, 30% off, I think, or something. But yeah, I was pretty stoked about those. One of my most recent buys. This is not on the list. This is an honorary. PSGs, you guys. PSGs. I showed this in, I think, my last. Well, I showed a lot of these, all of these in my last year-end video. But yeah, the PSGs, you guys. PSGs. These bad boys. These sat on the shelves, but I was able to cop them. This was just crazy, the price. $96. Cop these for $96. These bad boys came out for $225. Got it for $96, man. That's just crazy. Crazy. And then my last honorary deal, Laser 4s, you guys. Laser 4s. And I copped these. The crazy thing about these was $79. $79, you guys. Laser 4s. So you don't have to pay retail for everything, guys. That's kind of the whole point. That's my whole point. That's kind of why I'm here. All right, so let's get to the top 5. These are the top 5 deals that I copped for the year, you guys. Top 5 deals. The criteria that I used to develop this list from all the sneakers that I copped from the Nike outlet was just the deal, first of all, you know, the percentage that I got off, you know, because a lot of sneakers are way, in my opinion, way overpriced, but I still pay retail, so whatever. So how much of a savings it was, number one, and number two, how much I like the shoe. You know, how much I like the pair of sneakers, because, you know, some of you guys might not like some of these, but in my eyes, all these were hella fire. That's kind of why they're on my list. But yeah, number 5, you guys. Number 5 deal of the year. Jordan 12 Chinese New Year. Cop these bad boys for $105. $105, man. These are just hella clean. They were in mint condition. They were DS. It didn't look like anybody tried them on. There were no marks. There were no imperfections. Caught those bad boys for $105. $105. These came out for $250. Caught those at the clearance center for $105. That was a hell of a deal. Hell of a steal, you guys. 4, I gotta say, are the Mochas. Jordan 3 Mochas. Got these at the clearance center once again. These have still never been worn. These have still never been worn. These are the Mocha 3s. I copped these bad boys for $70. These came out for what, $190? I know quite a few people that paid retail for these. Yeah, copped them for $70 freaking dollars. $70. $120 off. Not bad. Number 3 on my list. Number 3. The Kyrie 5 Icats Concept 5 collab, you guys. These were sold out. I happened to get lucky. Copped these at the Torrance, Nike Outlet Torrance store. And these are just fire. And these would be number 1 because I think these are one of my favorite sneakers. But I just didn't get that much of a discount on these. You know, they were going for $140. And I happened to walk in. I think I told this earlier. I happened to walk in, and they were checking out. I saw a customer and a few workers checking out a pair of these, and I said, "Hey, what the hell's going on?" And they said, "Oh, we happen to have another one." I was like, "Oh, let me go get it." And I ran over to the counter, and then it was actually being walked towards the back, and I stopped the dude who had these sneakers. I was like, "I need those. Give me those." And I was able to get the full box and everything. So one thing we learned, timing. Timing is very, very important. A lot of luck, a lot of persistence, and yeah, and you just got to be out there. You got to be out there. Number 2 on my list. Some Nike Dunk Lows. These are the iShod flat silver colorway. Nike Dunk Lows. Man, I got such a crazy deal on these. I paid $25. These bad boys are on StockX for $200 right now. Cop these for $25, you guys. Dang. I love the colorway. There's actually a slight, if you notice, there's a little bit of pink on it, a lot of gray, a lot of light gray, all suede. And the suede is hella smooth on it. $25. $25, you guys. And then my number one pickup of this year, and this one I think a lot of it just has to do with the price. Like the deal was just the deal was crazy. The deal was crazy. These are the Zoom Freak ones. Zoom Freak ones. And plenty of you guys probably saw this video where I did pick these sneakers up. They are not in 100. They weren't in the greatest condition. They did have some cracking in the front. But because there was some cracking in the front, I copped these bad boys for $35. $35. This was right at. This was actually a couple months after these came out. A couple months after they came out. I believe they were priced incorrectly. I went to the counter, and I think they were supposed to be priced at $59, which is still a steal. They were supposed to be priced at $59. They accidentally marked it down to $49, and I got another 30% off, so I ended up getting it for $35. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. That's it. These were my best steals of the year. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, you guys. These were pretty much my top 5, and showed a few more on top of that. But those were my best steals of the year. Did you guys find anything better than what I found? Because, you know, I go to the outlets a lot. If you guys found something better, I'd be so proud. I'd be so proud, and I'd be stoked for you guys. Because, yeah, I'm also building my collection, but I'm also sharing it with you guys. And I'd love to hear what you guys think. Make sure you guys leave that in the comment section. So you guys let me know your best cops of the year. You know, let me know your top 3 cops of the year. You know, give me your guys' list, and we can all share. But yeah, if you like this type of video, go ahead and make sure you guys like this video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead, press that subscribe button, press that notification button. And yeah, thank you so much for joining. Happy New Year, you guys. You guys know I'm gonna have, you know, my goal is to have at least 300 videos next year, pretty much one every day. And I'm going to continue. Thank you so much for helping to get to 1,000 subscribers. I think by the time this is released, I should be like at 1,010, 1,015, something like that. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate you guys joining, and thanks for helping my channel grow. And yeah, I'm gonna continue to bring you guys excellent content next year. And thank you so much for joining, guys. Happy New Year. Peace. Guess I'm done.